I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the dart barrel and shaft threads. Small damage will affect fit. Once ready, secure the shaft in your hand or a soft vise to avoid marring. Use a rag to protect finishes, then grip the old steel tip and turn counterclockwise to loosen. If it's tight, apply steady pressure with a small wrench or tip tool. Work slowly so you don't snap the shaft. Make sure to note thread direction and any washers or O-rings you'll need to reuse. Once the old tip is off, lay out parts in sequence so you can reassemble correctly. You should clean both shaft and tip threads with a small brush and a light solvent to remove grit that causes poor seating. If you find burrs or cross-threading, lightly file and retap with care. This prevents misalignment and wobble. Make sure threads match on the new tip. Metric versus imperial differences change fit, and test fit by hand before final tightening to avoid stripping. You thread the new steel tip in by hand first. This ensures proper engagement. Once it seats, finish with a small wrench until snug. Do not over-torque because shafts can crack. After installation, roll the dart on a flat table to confirm it's straight, then make a few gentle practice throws to check flight and balance. If you notice wobble or loosening, stop. Make sure threads are clean, try another compatible tip, or replace the shaft. Those fixes eliminate most alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.